Welcome back to Club Caddie University. Today we'll walk through using the floor plan and floor plan template features in the settings section. We will go over how to create, use, and build floor plan templates. Let's dive in. Navigate to the settings section, spot the floor plan on the left-hand side, and let's click that. Here we are in the floor plan section. This is where we build our virtual club layout, ensuring that each order reaches the right place, be it table or bar seat. See the list of locations at the top? Need to add a new one? Here's how. Go to Terminal Management, click on Manage Location, type the new location name, and hit Add Location. Keep in mind, not all terminals require a printer or card reader association. This step is for diversifying our floor plan options. Now let's get creative with our floor plan. Look at the panel to the left. Drag and drop these items onto your floor plan. You can adjust the sizing and rename or delete items as needed. Once it feels right, don't forget to hit Save. This floor plan is yours to shape, making it as detailed as needed to track each table and bar chair. Here's a handy tip. You can copy and paste items within the floor plan or even the entire floor plan for efficiency. You'll want to highlight your chosen area, press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V, and simply drag the duplicated section to where you want it. Next, we'll tackle the floor plan template. This feature is your best friend for planning events, whether it's an outside tournament post-play event or a simple buffet lunch. Drag and drop, resize items, and shape them to match your event space. Once you're done, save these templates for future use. You can find all of your saved templates under the floor plan template section. Attach them to your banquet event order, and your setup or breakdown crew will have a clear guide to set up the area. Or create a floor plan for your space so servers can easily find and mark tables that they're serving. And there we have it. You have successfully navigated the floor plan and floor plan template features of Club Caddie. Now these tools are at your disposal to streamline your club operations. Thank you for joining us. Remember, Club Caddie is here to simplify your golf course management tasks. Until next time, happy planning.